Hello guys. I just recently got this in. Should have been here long ago, but just came in today. See what they got me. $5 gift card for wideopenspaces.com. Got the new Gambler, the Pick and Red, Reaction Strike, Crankbait, Suspending, VMC hooks. I think this is more of a top water bait. And of course you get your sticker. I got a Nova baits. Let's see what's in there. Nice little, I think it's more like a chartreuse shad color chatterbait. And Hog Wild Lure Company. I think these are twin tails. Yeah, they look more like twin tails. Thank you. That's it for Tacklegrab today.